Choosing the right dive computer can be a daunting task, with so many features like depth tracking, decompression limits, and air integration to consider. Consumers often struggle to find a reliable and user-friendly model, but worry not, we've tested numerous dive computers to bring you the top 5 best dive computers. In this video, we'll explore their key features and what to consider when making your choice. Stay tuned as we dive into the very best the market has to offer. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Cressi Scuba Diving Computer. The Donatello Dive Computer by Cressi is a user-friendly device designed to cater to both novice and experienced divers. Its intuitive single-button operation simplifies the process of setting air, nitrox, gauge, and free modes, making it particularly suitable for beginners in scuba diving. The high-definition screen provides clear readability with large numerical displays, ensuring that all necessary information is easy to read underwater. The Donatello Dive Computer offers 3 levels of user-adjustable conservatism, visual and audible alarms for safety, and a user-selectable deep stop function, ensuring divers can customize their profiles and enhance safety during ascents on deeper dives. The Donatello Dive Computer supports both imperial and metric units of measure, making it versatile for divers worldwide. It features a battery life indicator to monitor power levels, and the CR2430 battery is user-replaceable, adding convenience and reducing downtime. The device's interface, which is sold separately, uses infrared technology to connect the dive computer to a smartphone via Bluetooth or to a PC or laptop using a USB cable. This interface is compatible with all versions of Windows and Mac operating systems, allowing for easy transfer and analysis of dive data. In terms of physical specifications, the Donatello Dive Computer comes in a sleek black-orange color combination. The package dimensions are 5 by 5 by 4.65 inches, and the total package weight is 0.25 kilograms. The product is designed for unisex adult users and includes one big-screen dive computer. Overall, the Donatello Dive Computer by Cressi is a reliable and versatile device that offers essential features and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for divers of all levels. Number 4. Soonto Zoop Novo. The Soonto Scuba Watch is a versatile diving companion crafted from durable plastic, weighing a mere 120 grams. Its lightweight design ensures comfort during prolonged underwater excursions, ideal for both recreational and more experienced divers. The watch boasts multiple operational modes tailored to different diving scenarios. These include air, nitrox, gauge, and freedom modes, catering to a wide range of diving preferences and requirements. It supports programmability for oxygen mixtures ranging from 21 to 50%, allowing divers to customize their gas blends based on dive profiles and preferences. Equipped with a backlit display, this watch ensures excellent readability in various lighting conditions, including low light and night dives. This feature is crucial for maintaining visibility of critical information such as depth, time, and decompression data during dives. The watch offers both imperial and metric programmable settings, accommodating divers from different regions and preferences seamlessly. This scuba watch includes a maximum depth display capability of up to 330 feet, providing divers with real-time depth information essential for monitoring safety limits and dive progression. It also incorporates audible alarms to alert divers to critical information such as depth breaches or decompression stops, enhancing overall dive safety. Presented in a compact package measuring 5.3 by 5.1 by 3.9 inches and weighing 0.3 kilograms, the watch is designed for ease of portability and storage. The minimalist design in black, without USB connectivity, maintains a streamlined appearance suitable for unisex adult use. Overall, the Soonto Scuba Watch combines essential technical capabilities with user-friendly design, making it a dependable choice for exploring underwater environments with confidence and safety. Number 3. Aqua Lung i100. The Aqua Lung Dive Computer stands out as a versatile tool designed to enhance safety and functionality for divers of various skill levels. Boasting a compact and lightweight design with dimensions of 5.25 by 4.25 by 5.25 inches and weighing just 0.6 pounds, it is well suited for both travel and regular use underwater. One of its notable features is its enhanced safety measures, which include audible alarms and a high-visibility LED warning light. These features are crucial for alerting divers to important information and potential dangers during their underwater expeditions, thereby promoting a safer diving experience. The dive computer offers 4 operating modes: air, nitrox, gauge, and freedive. This versatility allows divers to choose their preferred mode based on their diving preferences and needs. Navigating through the functions of the Aqua Lung dive computer is made intuitive with its single-button interface. Divers can easily access their last dive data and navigate through settings with minimal effort, ensuring convenience during use. Furthermore, the device features a user-changeable battery, enabling divers to replace the battery themselves without the need for professional assistance, which is a practical advantage for maintenance. In terms of technical capabilities, this dive computer supports nitrox mix capability of up to 100% oxygen and allows mixing of up to 2 nitrox gases. This feature is particularly beneficial for divers who require precise gas mixtures for different diving conditions, thereby enhancing their safety and flexibility underwater. In conclusion, the Aqua Lung dive computer combines safety, versatility, and user-friendly features in a compact, lightweight design, making it an ideal choice for divers seeking reliable performance and ease of use underwater. Number 2. Shearwater Tern Color. The Shearwater Tern Color Dive Computer offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to meet the demands of divers across various underwater scenarios. Its high-resolution display ensures crystal-clear visibility, regardless of the environmental conditions, providing a seamless experience for users. This dive computer boasts multiple dive modes, accommodating recreational, technical, and free diving activities, thus catering to a wide range of diving preferences and skill levels. Its Bluetooth connectivity feature facilitates effortless synchronization of dive data with smartphones or tablets, streamlining the logging and sharing process for divers. Furthermore, the user rechargeable battery not only ensures extended usage but also promotes eco-friendliness, aligning with contemporary sustainability values. Engineered with a robust aluminum construction, the Tern is built to withstand the rigors of diverse diving environments, offering durability and reliability in equal measure. The Shearwater Research Tern dive computer boasts dimensions of 5 by 5 by 5 inches and weighs 9.6 ounces, ensuring it's both compact and lightweight for effortless underwater maneuvering. Supported by a 2-year manufacturer warranty, it assures users of its durability and quality. The package includes the dive computer and a charger, facilitating immediate use. Its sleek silver or black color scheme appeals to unisex adult users, reflecting Shearwater Research's dedication to delivering top-notch diving gear. In summary, the Shearwater Research Tern dive computer excels with its versatile dive modes, Bluetooth connectivity, durable aluminum build, and user-friendly features, making it a reliable choice for divers seeking high-performance equipment. Number 1. Garmin Descent MK2i. The Garmin Descent MK2i Dive computer watch combines advanced dive technology with multi-sport capabilities, making it a versatile companion for both underwater adventures and everyday activities. Designed for unisex adults, this watch-style dive computer stands out with its titanium carbon gray DLC or black color scheme and a 1.4-inch LCD display. At the heart of its appeal is its air integration capability, allowing divers to monitor tank pressure directly on the watch when paired with the Descent T1 transmitter. This feature supports up to 5 tanks via subwave sonar data network, enhancing safety and convenience during dives. The Descent MK2i supports multiple dive modes, including recreational, technical, and free diving, and enables users to plan dives directly on the device. Beyond its diving functionalities, this device excels as a multi-sport watch. It offers robust battery life, lasting up to 80 hours in dive mode, 16 days in smartwatch mode, and 15 hours in GPS mode with music playback. This makes it suitable for extended outdoor activities without frequent recharging. For music enthusiasts, the watch integrates with streaming services like Spotify and Deezer, allowing users to store playlists directly on the device and stream via Bluetooth headphones. Garmin Pay enables convenient cashless payments, while safety features such as incident detection provide added security during adventures. Included in the bundle are practical accessories like a waterproof dry bag and cell phone pouch, enhancing its utility in various outdoor conditions. In summary, the Garmin Descent MK2i Dive computer watch by PlayBetter blends cutting-edge dive technology with versatile multi-sport features, delivering reliability and convenience for both diving enthusiasts and active lifestyles. In conclusion, the array of dive computers showcased here underscores the diverse needs and preferences within the scuba diving community. Each device, from the intuitive Cressi Donatello to the feature-rich Garmin Descent MK2i, presents unique strengths tailored to enhance safety, usability, and enjoyment underwater. Whether prioritizing simplicity for beginners, versatility for varying gas mixtures, or advanced features like air integration and multi-sport capabilities, these dive computers cater to a broad spectrum of divers. As technology continues to evolve, these tools remain indispensable companions, ensuring that divers of all levels can explore the depths with confidence, backed by reliable and innovative equipment.